Hola amigos, bienvenidos. Today we're going to learn how to conjugate the verb to go in Spanish. It means ir. Ir. Let's start with present simple. I go is voy. Voy. Remember that in Spanish it's not necessary to use the personal pronouns, but we can say yo voy. I go. We go is vamos. Vamos. Nosotros vamos. Nosotras vamos. You go is vas. Tú vas. Vos vas. The formal you, usted, is conjugated as va. Usted va. In plural we have ustedes van. Van. Vosotros o vosotras vais. Vais. For he, she, it, go, we will use va. Va. Él va, ella va. And for they go, we will use van. Van. Ellos van, ellas van. Let's look at the past simple. For I went, we will use fui. Fui. We went, fuimos. Fuimos. You went, we will use fuiste. Fuiste for the informal you. Or we'll use fue. Fue for the formal you. Tú fuiste. Usted fue. In plural, we'll use fueron. Fueron. Ustedes fueron. You all went. Or we'll use fuisteis. Fuisteis for vosotros or vosotras. Vosotros fuisteis. For he, she, it, went, we'll use fue. Fue. Él fue. Ella fue. And for they went, we will use fueron. Fueron. Ellos fueron. Ellas fueron. Let's take a look at the future tense. I will go is iré. Iré. Yo iré. We will go. Iremos. Iremos. Nosotros iremos. Nosotras iremos. For the informal you will go, we will use irás. Irás. And for the formal usted, we'll use irá. Irá. Tú irás, vos irás, usted irá. In plural, we'll use irán. Irán. Ustedes irán. Or we'll use iréis for vosotros or vosotras. Vosotros iréis. For he, she, it will go, we'll use irá. Irá. Él irá, ella irá. And for they will go, we'll use irán. Irán. Ellos irán, ellas irán. Here's everything in one page. We have the personal pronouns, the past tense, present tense, and future tense. To go, it's an irregular verb in Spanish as well. But there are some similar things, right? In the past, everything starts with fu. Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuisteis, fueron. In the present, everything starts with a V. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. In the future, everything starts with the I or. Iré, irás, irá, iremos, Iréis, irán. Remember that you can pause the video if you like to write this down. It does help writing them down because our brains are repeating it again as you write it. Let's take a look at a couple of sentences. Yo voy a la tienda. Yo voy a la tienda. So this is present tense because we're using voy. We don't have to use the personal pronoun because with the conjugation voy, we know that I am the subject. Yo voy a la tienda means I go to the store. How would you say it in the past tense? We'll replace voy with fui. Yo fui a la tienda. Yo fui a la tienda. I went to the store. How about for the future tense? Yo iré a la tienda. Yo iré a la tienda. I will go to the store. A big difference when talking about future in Spanish is that there's no word for will. The verbs are conjugated for the future tense, very similar to the past or present. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I will have a quiz on this topic and it will be shown here as soon as it's ready. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.